building construction, building construction technology. Okay, I hope you all are able to see the screen. All right. I hope if anybody is finding any difficulty, then they may contact me on the WhatsApp as well if you are finding any difficulty. But I guess you all are able to see. Okay. So I hope you all are able to understand what we are going to discuss, that we have already completed some portion of the module number one, foundation, subsurface exploration, etc. So that we have already discussed, and meanwhile, now we will do some additional exercises related to it. So first thing is the module number one. So what is the module number one? जो हमारा पहला module है. In the module number one, we are having there are few students who are joining as a guest, but I don't know why the students are joining as a guest when what we can say is we have provided them mail IDs as well. Okay. So module number one is related to the foundation. Module number one is completely of the foundation. So module number one is related to the foundation. That is the first bifurcation is the shallow foundation is there. Then another bifurcation is what we can say is the deep foundation. We have already discussed the shallow foundation in the detail. In deep foundation, the pile foundation is there. I have already shared some notes already available. Few portion is remaining, and one of the portion in this is related to the cations that is to be taught. ये आज हम कोशिश करेंगे कि we will try to cover this portion today related to Cation. Okay, so that what is Cation, what is its definition, uses. So it is all about the module number one. Then second thing is what we can say is the module number two. In the module number two, it is completely related with the masonry, masonry construction. You all are well aware about the masonries. For example, stone masonry is there. For example, brick masonry is there. Okay, for example, other types of masonries are also there. For example, composite masonry is there. Okay, hollow block masonry is there. So these type of masonries are available. All right. Then lintels are there. Okay, as you all are working, and so you all know about the lintels, then wall finishing that you also know. What is the wall finishes? So these are the five portions. But as far as the mid semester is concerned, we are giving you the module number one. In module number two, you are having the portion of only what we can say is stone masonry, number one, and number two, only the brick masonry. All right, so this will be the portion in the mid semester examination. And then we have given the module number six. Okay, in the mid semester examination, we have kept very, what we can say is only around two complete modules. Module one is complete. In module two, only 50% portion. And in module number six, it is related to the green building. You all know about the green building and its importance. All right. What is its requirement in the sustainable future? Rating system for the green building, principles, concepts, and the case studies. So, as far as the syllabus for the mid-sem is concerned, syllabus for mid-sem is will be first is the module 1, that is foundations, that will be the syllabus. The second number, that is module 2, only stone and brick masonry will given. I have already given the syllabus to you, and the exam is on 1st of April. Starting April में exam है. The syllabus and the schedule will be displayed to you very soon. The schedule will be displayed to you, so don't worry about the schedule. Okay, so we are having module 1, module 2, and module 6, so that some variation will be there. That is, for example, green building. So this is the syllabus for the mid-semester examination. You can have one type of the screenshot if you want. What will be the syllabus for mid-sem? Module 1, that is related to foundation. Module 2 related to
सर
stone and
थोड़ा
brick
जोर से बोलेंगे,
masonry.
वॉइस आपकी
And
बहुत कम
okay, okay. My voice is coming a little bit less. Now, all right?
थोड़ा फर्क पड़ा।
Okay, okay. No problem, no problem. So, module 1 is foundation, module 2 is stone and brick masonry, and module 6 is the green building. So, these three modules will be there. Okay. So, module 1, module 2, and module 6, this will be the syllabus for mid-sem. We will try to cover all the portions before it. Foundation, we have already discussed and shared the video with you all as well earlier. Module number 2, we will start, and the green building will also be in the what we can say is the syllabus. We will try to have the portion of it available with us. We will discuss related to it as well. But first of all, we will also try to discuss about the Cation. What is meant by what we can say is the Cation? Okay. So we are also going to discuss about the cations. So a cation is a structure which sunk through the ground or water for the in placing the foundation at the prescribed depth, and subsequently it becomes an integral part of the substructure. Means what will be happen in cation? It is one type of structure which is sunk through the ground or water. Means it will be sunk beneath. All right, some structure will be there. This structure is available. Okay, it will be sunk within the ground. Okay, it will be sunk within the ground or the water. ताकि क्या होगा कि यहाँ से एक्सकेवेशन किया जा सके, ठीक है, और फिर ये नीचे चलता चला जाए, एंड इट विल बिकम पार्ट ऑफ दिस व्हाट वी कैन. फॉर एग्जांपल हमें इतने लेवल तक जाना है, वी हैव टू गो अप टू दिस लेवल. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन से इज द ग्राउंड लेवल, and this is what we can say is the foundation bottom level. Okay, so this is the foundation bottom level. So this cation is a structure which is sunk through the ground. All right, during the process of excavation of foundation or बाद में it becomes the integral part of the structure. So what are the uses of the cation? इसके uses क्या होते हैं? It is simply a structure which is sunk inside. So its uses is it enables structural loads to be taken down to the hard strata, because here we will construct something. That's why we are dipping it. All right. So first use is it will transform load. It will transform load to strata. Okay. It will transform the load to hard strata beneath the ground. Beneath the ground. So एक चीज तो वो हो जाएगी. That is its first use. The second use is it is used in the reverse construction to enable foundation to be taken below the zone of soil affected by this core. So core depth जो होता है उसके beneath तक वो उसको लेकर के जाएगा. The third use is to serve as a purpose of impervious core of the wall of the earth dam. For example, earthen dam is there. In the earthen dam, it have to serve the purpose of impervious core. Impervious means no water will be penetrated inside it. So that is one of the important thing. Then one more important thing is always whenever we are constructing shaft, जब भी हम shafts के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं या टनल बना रहे हैं, at that time we always need something कि वो एक्सेस दे कि किसी ना किसी तरीके से कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो बढ़ता चला जाए. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. एंड lastly, it will provide the enclosure to the what we can say is for installing the machineries and pump. So it is also one of the important what we can say is the use of this. So these are the basic purposes. These are the basic uses of the questions that you can go through it. What are the construction materials? Construction materials कौन से use कर सकते हैं? Construction materials इसके लिए कौन से use करेंगे? So of course steel use कर सकते हैं. Then we can also go for the timber. Then we can have cast iron, उसका भी use हो सकता है. Then we can have the RCC, reinforced cement concrete जो होता है, तो इसका भी use हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So these are the what we can say is the construction materials: steel, timber, cast iron, RCC. These can be used. Okay. तो ये एक चीज हमारे लिए यूज होती है. एंड आफ्टर द कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टाइप्स ऑफ केशियंस. केशियंस का टाइप्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? सो बेसिकली वी आर हैविंग थ्री टाइप ऑफ द केशियंस. सबसे पहला जिसको क्लोज्ड भी कहा जाता है यानी कि बॉक्स केशियंस. तो बॉक्स केशियन इज देयर. Then open cation. Open cation is actually open means well is there. Well का कंस्ट्रक्शन किया गया. ठीक है. तो वेल में भी दो हो जाते हैं. एक तो सिंगल एक ही वेल किया है या मल्टीपल वेल दो तीन वेल किए हैं उस तरीके से. एंड अनदर इज न्यूमेटिक केशियंस. So this is the type of cation that is also you need to go through it. A different type of cations आपके होते हैं. So these are the basic things which we must be well aware about of before studying this. What we can say is the cations. तो केशियन एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है विच इज संक थ्रू द ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड के नीचे या वाटर के नीचे ताकि एक्सकेवेशन आसानी से किया जा सके. ठीक है. एंड लास्टली इट बिकम्स द इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर. तो बॉक्स केशियन जब होता है तो बॉक्स केशियन इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड. ये जो हमारा बॉक्स केशियन है इसका यूज कब होगा? तो बॉक्स केशियन इज यूज्ड वेयर bearing stratum is available at shallow depth and where loads are not very heavy. If loads are not very heavy, then we can construct we can use this box cation. Closed box cations can be used for the sea wells. Okay. Box cations आप देख रहे means you can see that box cations means it will be one type of box we will construct uh, in the surrounding strata. Okay, so we will be having such type of box. It will be completely packed in such a way. Okay, so it will be completely combined. And from the top, if you want to see, it will be like this. Means inside the strata, of course, will be there. Okay. So these are the different type of the cation is one type of the cation. Okay. Cation is built on the land and it is launched and floated to pier site where it is sunk in a position. इसको vertically हमें sunk करना होगा. Okay, so it is एक लैंड पे बनाते हैं फिर फ्लोटेट करते हैं पियर साइड पे जहाँ पे भी हमें करना होगा. तो suitable material we used to have sand and gravel available with us to use it. Then we are having the open cation is also there available with us. Okay, open cation is also available with us. Open cation is also is there. Open cation means what we can say is the well. It is nothing else but the well. जो एक नॉर्मल हमारे पास वेल होता है उसी की बात कर रहे हैं. So an open cation, it may be rectangular or square, and it can be divided into the smaller sections. It can be made with timber, metal, RCC, or the masonry. It is used for the most common type of deep foundations. Sometimes the question is also asked where it is used. It is used for the deep foundations. So always this open cation is used for the deep foundations or bridge piers or abutments. It is used for the bridge piers. And one more type is the abutment. It is also used for the abutments. So that is one of the important things that we need to understand. Then laying of the well curb, we need to set up the curb. So how this open cation will be? This will be, for example, if it's top and here the wall cap will be there, then what we can see is this portion, if it is coming, we are constructing one type of whale only. Okay, so it will be like this. On the left hand side, it will be like this. Okay, so this portion, particular this portion is what we can say is the curb. This portion is known as spinning. Okay, this is the top plug. This is the ground level. Above it, this portion will be above the ground and this will be below the ground. Here, sand filling will be there. Okay, this is such type of bottom plug will be there. And after the bottom plug, this will be what we can say is the cutting edge. It will be there. So this is the section of the open cation that we are having. I will write it down. It will be the section of open cation is available. So how the portions will be done? So how the sinking will happen because this has to be put up inside. So first the laying of the curve is important. These curves will be laid down and after that the another things will happen. Okay. So this is one of the portion. This is the bottom filling and this is the sand filling in this port. All right. So that is one of the important things you must be able to understand. So first step is when you have to fail. So first step is curb placing. Then second step is nothing else but whale spinning. And the third step is what we can say is the sinking operation. Okay, because once this portion has been fed, this left hand side and right hand side, this portion is 100% complete. Then you can go for the completion of it. Okay, and then fourth step, maybe you can check for the tilts and shifts. All right, whether this portion is vertically laid down or not on the left hand side, right hand side, whether this is 100% vertical or not, that needs to be checked. If not, then this operation will be performed. And then finally the fifth step that is known as the completion of well will occur. So this is one type of the portion that we have to go through it. Okay. Now one more type of the first type was closed, that is box cations. The second type was what we can say is open, and the third is pneumatic. Pneumatic cation. Pneumatic means something which is being operated hydrologically or some mechanism is there. कोई स्पेशल प्रकार का वर्किंग चेम्बर या मैकेनिज्म का यूज हो रहा है, जहां से शायद हमें कोई क्या बोल सकते हैं वाटर प्रोटेक्शन से रिलेटेड है। तो न्यूमेटिक केशंस का प्रयोग सिर्फ तभी किया जाएगा व्हेन वाटर इज देयर, ऑफ कोर्स मींस हाइड्रोलिक स्ट्रक्चर की कैटेगरी हो जाएगी, एंड वाटर इज ग्रेटर देन 12 मीटर। 12 मीटर से ज्यादा पानी का हेड है तो हमें न्यूमेटिक केशन ही यूज करना है, और इसकी रेंज होती है लगभग 12 मीटर से 35 मीटर के बीच में हम न्यूमेटिक केशन का यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, जब जहां पे हम बड़े बड़े बल्कि इक्विपमेंट्स यूज नहीं कर सकते, एट दैट पॉइंट we must be able to use the pneumatic cation. So at that time, pneumatic word itself says some mechanically equipped or some mechanism is there which needs to be uh, seen. So simply the method of construction जो होता है इस केशन का, जो हमने ऊपर देखा, सिमिलरली ऐसा ही होता है जैसे ओपन केशन या वेल के लिए होता है। सिर्फ फर्क इतना सा होता है, द रीजन इज और द डिफरेंस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल इज कि न्यूमेटिक केशन में वर्किंग चेंबर जो है वो एयर टाइट रखा जाता है। इसका वर्किंग चेंबर है, द वर्किंग चेंबर इज एयर टाइट। तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट। ओके, तो ये चीज हमें थोड़ा सा एक ध्यान रखनी होगी कि दैट इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। वो हमें यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा याद रखना होगा। वी नीड टू बी वेल अवेयर अबाउट इट दिस थिंग्स, एंड वी नीड टू बी वेल अवेयर अबाउट द मैकेनिज्म। दिस न्यूमेटिक केशन इज आस्क्ड इन यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशंस। यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू केशन इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट what we can say is the subject. So that is also I want to convey over here. Okay, so that you need to must to understand. Now one more technique is there, or one more technical part is there, plotting of the cations. Cations को plot कैसे किया जाता है? Means what is plotting? So what happens sometimes, what we do, we used to float it. For example, some river profile is there. Okay, so sometimes this cation is there, it will be floated down to some portion. तो उसका बॉटम पोर्शन को कटिंग एज के हिसाब से फ्लोट किया जाता है और उस पोजीशन में पेस्ट किया जाता है या वहां पर जाकर के पुट अप किया जाता है। तो दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन से द cation is there and it is being put up over there. So in the cation, cutting edge plays important role. What is the cutting edge? Cutting edge is the bottom portion. जैसे हमने देखा कि ये लास्ट में जाकर के कटिंग एज आ गया है यहाँ पे। So this cutting edge is very much important. And cutting edge दो तरीके का होता है, sharp and blunt end के साथ हो सकता है। 100% sharp, for example, such type of cutting edge, if it is being provided, this is the sharp. Sometimes blunt end may be there. For example, 100% उसको sharp नहीं रखा गया है, okay, उसको थोड़ा सा cover के साथ रख दिया गया है, so this is blunt. Okay, means some sharpness is not there, so that's why it is being called as a blunt. तो वो एक चीज यहाँ पे हमें याद रखना होगा, that is sinking of the cation is also one of the important things. Then tilting or shifting of cation, one more term is used, that is tilting or shifting of cations. Means when the cation is laid, it has to be laid vertically downward. पर वो थोड़ा सा इधर उधर लेफ्ट या राइट हो गया, तो दैट इज यू नीड टू गो थ्रू इट कि वो हमारा वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है. तो एट दैट टाइम व्हेन इट इज नॉट गोइंग वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड, यू विल पुट हियर, यू विल पुल इट. तो ये हमारा ऐसे जा रहा था जबकि ये वर्टिकली डाउन होना चाहिए, तो ऑब्वियसली इसको पुल किया जाएगा. So that is pulling. We can pull it and we can put up heavy load so that it will go vertically down. तो प्लेसिंग, किसी भी क्वेश्चन को प्लेस करना वो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी हो जाता है और वो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. So now, if you are facing any kind of difficulty in understanding question, you can raise the questions to me. Any query related to question?
सर ये टिल्टिंग और शिफ्टिंग फिर से थोड़ा समझाइए.
Okay, okay. I will explain the tilting and shifting to you and in the detail. Okay. तो जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि कभी कभी क्या होता है कि क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं वो एक जगह की जगह, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर प्लेसिंग द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस, ओके, so it used to tilt. Means what happens, it has to be vertically downward, it has to be placed vertically downward. तो कई बार क्या होता है कि हमारा वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड जाना चाहिए, बट ड्यू टू सम रीजंस we are not able to put it 100% vertically downward. Okay, so vertically downward nahi ja saka wo. Now what will happen, it may be due to two things. First is unequally हमने लेफ्ट और राइट का ध्यान रखना था. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस मेंबर इज देयर and we have to place this question or this bottom member vertically downward. So on the left and right we are trying, but sometimes the portion from the left or from the right, we are not putting up the 100% uniform load, for example. So what will happen, instead going the vertical, it has to go vertical in this profile, but it will not go vertical and it will be tilted down. Okay. So एक reason तो ये हुआ कि the 100% uniformity is not there. The second reason is जो ज्यादा common होता है, non uniform bearing power. Means soil जो है, for example bottom here soil is there, okay, soil is there and you are placing some portion of it. So what will happen, automatically loose soil idhar zyada hai, so it will automatically fit towards it. Status is presence milega, so it will slightly tilt. So tilting and shifting you need to do many times. Accuracy requirement in verticality is of of the order of 1 millimeter. Okay, and it has to be what we can say is achieved by sensitive instruments. तो वो एक चीज इम्पोर्टेंट है कि इट जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है वो 100% वर्टिकल ही जाना चाहिए. दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. तो आई होप नाउ यू हैव गॉट द पॉइंट related to the tilting and related to the shifting of question. Got it?
Yes sir. Yes sir, got it.
Okay.